Welcome to Hello Experts, fellow travelers. We are standing at the threshold of one of the India's busiest railway hubs, New Delhi railway station. The RLDA has set the stage for a major makeover, and we are here to uncover the impressive developments that promise to redefine the passenger experience. The Rail Land Development Authority recently issued a fresh tender in July for the redevelopment of New Delhi railway station, with Larsen and Toubro and NCC Ltd among the prominent participants. L&T emerged as the lowest bidder at 8740 crore, surpassing the previous estimate of 5,000 crore Indian rupees. The modified plan reduces the redevelopment area of 3.5 lakh square per meter under the engineering, procurement and construction model. The mega project aims to replace the existing structure with a twin dome-shaped facade, becoming an iconic symbol of the capital city. This redevelopment aligns with the government's plan to modernize high-density stations, improving passenger movement and business prospects. The e-bid submission deadline is 29 September 2023, with technical e-bid opening on 5th of October 2023. The comprehensive scope includes dedicated access roads, multimodal transit hub buildings, parcel building, and surrounding circulation area development. The RLDA Vice Chairman Ved Prakash Jadeja emphasizes the goal of elevating New Delhi railway station into a world-class transportation hub, seamlessly connecting various modes of transport. The revamped station will blend railway facilities with commercial complexes, featuring a modern design enriched with advanced technology. The innovative terraced infinity-shaped building will span 3 floors, functioning as a terminal for transit-oriented development and serving as a multimodal hub. The earlier tender was discharged in May due to the higher bidder quotes, leading to this being the 4th tender announcement for the project. Cabinet approval remains in place, simplifying the re-tendering process. To address traffic congestion, 7 strategically positioned flyovers and road widening initiatives will be implemented. Facilities at the station will include a food court, comfortable waiting lounge, play area for the children, and a space for the local products. The emphasis is on comfort, proper illumination, clear signage, and convenient access through lifts and escalators. A well-designed master plan ensures smooth traffic flow, ample parking, and integration with other transportation modes. Safety measures include CCTV cameras and access control systems throughout the station. RLDA, a statutory authority under the Ministry of Railways, focuses on leasing commercial sites, colony redevelopment, station redevelopment, and multifunctional complexes. In the current financial year, RLDA has successfully leased various sites and awarded station redevelopment works, including the CSMT railway station in Mumbai on the EPC model. So here are some important details about the project. The first phase of the project will involve development on about 110 acres of land. The project will include a mix of commercial, hospitality, and retail spaces, as well as a new terminal building. The revamped New Delhi railway station will combine railway facilities with commercial complexes, showcasing a modern and sophisticated design. The project is expected to be completed in phases, with the first phase expected to be completed by 2023. The key objectives of the projects are to give stations a facelift, lay new railway lines, ensure 100% electrification, and enhance the safety of assets and passengers. The project has attracted interest from several real estate managers, including L&T, NCC, and GR Infra. The project is expected to generate employment opportunities in the region. The Indian Ministry of Railways has announced plans to redevelop and modernize railway stations across the country, including the Allahabad railway station in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The project is expected to include 18 platforms and handle more than 500,000 passengers per day. The project is expected to be executed under an engineering, procurement, and construction contract instead of a PPP to ease the qualm of potential commercial patrons. The project is expected to be completed by the year 2027. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.